KonMari folding part 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pal Skills. Today we'll be learning KonMari folding with 2 different type of tops and a dress based on Marie Kondo. So also, if you haven't seen my part 1 and 2, watch them and look out for part 4. So first we're going to do one of the tops. So you unfold it, and then so you lay it flat on a table. You fold it in the third towards the middle, and then the arms you hold it up, and then put your hands between the top bit and the arms, and you fold it down like that. And then you put your hand again, and you fold it like that way down again. Now, you do the same to the other side. And now, you fold a third in the middle, towards the middle. And then you do a third towards the middle again from the other side. And you fold it in half like that, and it should stand like that. Now with the second different type of t-shirt, long sleeve top. So this one at the bottom, it's not the same length, yeah, so it's kind of like yeah, so you like this, so like that, yeah. So now you lay it flat like usual, and take the uneven part and make sure that it's like the bottom bit isn't uneven, so that it's like it's a straight line. And then you fold it into a third in the middle towards the center, and the arms you do the same as the other top. Same to the other side. Okay, now you fold it towards the middle, and the same to the other side, and you fold it in half like that. It should sound like that. Now last is the dress. So the dress looks like a skirt, but with a top bit of a dress. So first you fold it over a third a bit, and then you take the dress bit and make you fold it like a bit like a fan, I guess, and make sure that is yeah, anyway. So yeah, then you do the same to the other side. Like that. Make sure that it's roughly the same size as the top bit, otherwise it wouldn't really work. You take the weaker side, you fold it in half, then you fold it in a third like that, and it should sound like that. So that's how you fold all these different types, 2 different types of top and a dress. So make sure you watch my part 1 and 2 and look out for part 4. Thank you for watching my channel Power Skills. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.